Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition, and I'm going to show you how you can pair this camera with your smartphone. So at the first we have to move for the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on search pool and type here Insta360. We have to get this application, so let's click on it and click install. We have to wait until it finishes download, and then we can open our application. Okay, right now we can open the application, so let's click here, click agree. You have to accept all of the permission. Okay, let's enter application. And right now we have to grab our camera and turn it on with this button right here. Okay, the camera is turned on. And right now we have to click right here, select our device, click connect now, accept all of the permission one more time, and right now we get the notification that we have turned on the Bluetooth, so let's do this. And also in some models we have to turn on also the GPS, so let's turn on location. And in a few moments we'll be able to connect our camera, and here we got our One Air Twin Edition Insta, so let's click on it. And as you can see, we are connected to our camera, and we get also the preview of the front camera, the preview of the screen. So that's how you can connect this camera to your application in the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!